Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to check out some more hair transformations. First up we have this stunning pixie haircut. Wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. Loving the baby bangs. And then we do have another pixie hairstyle. This is more of a traditional pixie look. Full bangs in the front. Followed by a hair transformation. So it looks like the stylist is going to be doing a bob haircut with this one. I love how thick and full her eyebrows are. Gorgeous. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted in today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have more of that shaggy mullet style that's trending heavily. This is a gorgeous style to try if you're looking for something a little outside of the box and something a little bit more rocker chic. And then we have a gorgeous bob haircut. This one is extremely structured. Full bangs in the front. Shaven nape area, absolutely gorgeous. And then we have another popular hair trend that we're going to be seeing this season, and that is of course the curtain bangs. This look is of course very 70s inspired and a great option for framing your face, adding in some texture. And then we see another bob haircut transformation. So for this one, she's going to be getting some bangs. Beautiful tousled effect with the curls. Gorgeous. So I hope that today's video was able to inspire you. If you want to see even more hairstyles, trends, and ideas, be sure to check out this video next.